Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful patchwork crafts. Patchwork basket crafts ideas I will share you. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Now swimming patchwork basket. Today we will make a patchwork basket without sewing. Take different fabric pieces, cut them into equal squares. Now take a thin cardboard base, apply glue on, and weavers. And friends, weavers, take our fabric pieces one by one, make a colorful design. Now take a strip of cardboard, wrap fabric on it and fix around the base. Your now swimming patchwork basket is ready. So easy and beautiful denim patchwork basket. And weavers, cut denim into simple pieces, stitch them together, make a stick fabric layer, add lining inside. Now shape it into a basket, stitch the side properly, add handle using denim strip. Your strong denim basket is ready and perfect for daily use. And weavers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. Friends, for more latest updates. So viewers,